cake mix.
Yes, let's get into it.
Go. What do we have today?
We have sorry.
Ew. Take it. Look, Paris. Look.
Wow! Strawberry cake! Looks like powder.
The cake mix.
Looks like powder.
Powder?
Yeah,
Yeah, it is. That's what cake mix is. It's like powder. It's in a powder form. You can just put a hole in it. Put your finger in it, put a hole in it. Put it over the bowl.
Yep. I don't know how to put a hole in this thing now. Wow! Wow! Look at those strawberries. Wow. Ooh. Can you taste it? No. Ooh. Jelly cake. Oh,
So what we got next? We're gonna put. Let's put some oil in it. Put some oil in it. Okay, we're gonna put some oil in it.
Hurry, stop. Oh, sorry. I
We're
was
gonna
just
try
doing
it
that
after we
so it
cook
can
it.
flatten.
After we cook it.
Stop. Hold it.
Hey, hold it. Huh? Hold it. Hold it. Don't touch it. Sit down. Sit down, Perry. You is holding it. Look, you holding it.
I need to sit down.
Okay.
I sit down.
Come on, we're gonna put some oil in it.
Yeah.
Let me open it for you.
Wow.
Wait.
Oh. We'll do it.
Okay. Remember, we're gonna put it to. That's it. Remember, we're supposed to put it to 1/3.
We'll do it. We'll do it.
We got it to a half. We gotta pull some of it back. Let me see. We got it to 2/3 actually. Well, it's a half. All right. Let's pour it down. We're gonna pour it down.
What's wrong?
What is she doing?
Toby, stop. We'll do it. No.
Now we're gonna pour the oil in there. And you gotta mix it. Stir it.
It's going down. Sorry.
Stir it. Don't be scared.
I'm not scared. Look at that. I'm stirring.
Stir it.
Dang, it's getting hard.
Whoa.
Hey.
Whoa.
Whoa.
That is cool.
There's gonna be strawberry in those.
Let's put some let's put the eggs in there. Leave it in there. Let's do the eggs now.
Okay, I know. I was crack it. Hey.
Let's do the eggs.
Let me crack it. Crack it.
Okay. Come on. Let's get the other egg in there. Do it on there, like you did. Yep.
Yeah. Wow. Crack it.
Yes.
Look at that.
Michelle.
Egg.
No.
I cracked the yolk.
Go. Stir it.
Look at that egg yolk.
Look at the egg yolk.
Ew.
Stir it.
Ew.
Stir it all around.
I never ate an egg before. When you cook it, it'd be disgusting. Ew.
So you don't like eggs?
I don't like when you cook it on breakfast time.
So you want it raw like that? You want to eat it like that? You want to eat it like that?
Yes.
Ew, let's see you eat it then.
Huh?
Let's see you eat that egg then.
Okay.
No, I'm not gonna get you an egg. I'm not gonna get you an egg. You say you're gonna eat it like that.
Well, I can eat it in the cake.
In the cake? Yeah, that's because you gotta cook it.
Ew.
But you said you can eat it like that. That's nasty. nasty.
I can eat it in cookies too. Well, I can eat it when.
Well, yeah, because it's mixed and it's cooked.
When it's not cooked.
When it's not cooked.
Yes.
Okay, let's go get the egg then. Let's see you eat it. I want to see you eat this egg.
I eat egg. I can eat it when the egg when it like go down. No. But I can
No,
eat it
right, Barry? No. Ew. She wants the egg raw. No. She gonna eat the yolk.
The yolk. I like yolk.
You don't want it?
I want it.
Yeah, I don't want it either.
Mama, you like the cookie?
Lala, show it. Lala, show it. Show it, the cupcake.
That
boy fat.
Show that cupcake.
It's mine.
Show them.
You
Want to show them that?
Put that frosting on.
Follow me on Instagram. It's gonna pop up on the screen.
Oh, yeah, you can eat it if you want. Eat it.
Oh yeah. That's like a smaller bite. It tastes like and it smells like it. A pancake. Thanks for watching. Bye.